Hi, I'm Taylor Smith from Forked Up. If you live in Tempe, you know construction closures can cause a really big hit to your commute. We believe that one site in particular is the source of the majority of these problems. Today, we met with 3 on-site construction workers to explain why this recurring problem has existed since 2016.
We've been working on this for 2 or 3 years now.
What have you been working on?
Normally that's not the kind of question I could answer, but for you, I'll do something special. I'll consult the blueprints for you. I think it's a gas station. When you're on the construction site, it's important to keep all your rules ahead of you. Rule number 1, always choose the right tool for the job. It's a screw, dimwit. Rule number 2, stay hydrated. I spend half of any given day, any given job, hydrating. Take your breaks. Hey, I need my water.
This is a big idea. You trying to
I need the water.
Circle? No, you. No water for me. Get the out of my circle. I mean this circle. Get the out of here.
Rule number 3, and this is an important one, never, ever cross the cones.
So what's the deal with the cones?
The cones? Oh, they're a big part of our work here on the force. See, if I, the captain, say to cone it, it gets coned. If I don't say to cone it, no cones. You see this? This took me all day. I'm going home after this. You gotta be on the force for about 4 or 5 years, I'd say, before they even let you start touching the cones, much less tell people where to put them.
She's not level. Cone it.
Speaking of which, I gotta ask you to step back here.
What are you doing? My grandma could do this better than you. Move. Watch.
This is my first day on the job, actually. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I swear, like, the guys are giving me fake stuff. They won't get off my back.
Hey! What you doing?
What's up, man?
You crossing the cones? You somehow bloodline? You stupid or what? What is wrong with
We're
you?
not blocking anything
Hey,
off,
these are
bro.
the rules of the
What the
construction site.
Hey, man.
But, when I do a Brooklyn accent, I notice they kind of let up. So that's kind of nice, but they got me measuring stuff. I don't even know. I don't think it's a real job. Yo, what's up, man?
Measurement for me?
Yeah, about tree, huh? Yeah.
Good, I don't boy.
So why is construction taking so long?
You know, it's like that old fairy tale says, the horse and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. At least that's what I say. And besides, Rome ain't built in a century.
Do you know how long a century is?
It's about two years.